Tackle family finally set off to their waterboat adventure. They should have known how their day was going to go when they lost their boat. They pulled up to the ocean. They set off on their wonderful boat adventure. One of them fell into the water and they got infected by a zombie. Another did. Oh no! 2 zombies had tackled down their boat. So they found an abandoned yacht and they took it. They left the sick behind with the babies and 2 friends. They heard of ancient ruins that held a treasure chest of golden apples to cure the infected. So they set off to the ancient ruins. They found the ancient ruins, but their next dilemma was how will they ever get up there? They found some ropes and started tying it to the ancient ruins so they could climb up and get the treasure. As if climbing ancient ruins wasn't crazy enough, they got tackled by vines. They were almost to the top of the ancient ruins, but the waters came. The rushing waters broke down the rope. They needed to find another way to get up, but they saw a golden rope. A golden rope? Who would have left this here? Does this have something to do with the golden apples? The rope worked very well. They tried getting to the top as quick as they could. The others came too, because they weren't afraid. Be right in my ear. They never heard of the diamond pickaxe that they would have to use. I found a diamond pickaxe. What? Why would we need that? I really don't know. But it can be useful and handy. They tried opening it by hand, but that did not work. So they might have had to mine it open with the diamond pickaxe. Whoa, whoa! It's looking loose now. The golden apples! They started climbing back down before nightfall. And once nightfall comes, the curse is irreversible. So they need to get down quick. They came back to the infected just in time and fed them the golden apples so they could be cured. What's going to happen in their next